In front of me is Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach the settings, then find and select General, and go to Language and Region. And you can smoothly change it by tapping on iPhone language and select the one that you would like to apply. You can look for it by entering some language in search area. And for example, we can pick Spanish. Just mark it and then click on Change to Spanish. Wait a couple of seconds until it's applied. And that's it. As you can see, the device language has been changed. And if you'd like to change it again, just open Languages and Input one more time, go to the language and pick, for example, English. Tap on OK, on Apply, and now we are back in English. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly, quickly and easily update language in your Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.